Slides and negatives always have small dust particles and tiny scratches on them, even when handled very carefully. Removing them one by one takes a tremendous amount of time, since often hundreds or thousands of small defects, dust grains or lint, are found on the original image, which only become visible after digitization. Using optic film with SilverFast's iSRD function can solve this problem very well. Why can infrared light detect dust and scratches? Because infrared light has a very wide wavelength, which allows it to pass through film emulsions of negatives and slides without resistance, as opposed to scratches and dust particles that reflect it. Use this feature. The image is scanned 2 times. The first is the regular RGB scan, and the second is the additional infrared scan that captures defects like dust and scratches only. Then the calculative dust and scratch removal takes effect, only where the infrared channel has detected any defects without losing any important details. Furthermore, automatic scratch removal will be applied. Computational dust and scratch removal functionality will only take effect if defects are detected in the infrared channel without losing any important details. Now let's see the steps in action. Select the iSRD button. Click to open the iSRD dialog. Choose one-on-one preview or high-quality preview. Scanner will scan twice. The first is an RGB light scan, and the second is an infrared scan. Press the Command and Shift, or Control and Shift key, and click into the preview window. You can see the infrared scan image. Select Mark Mode. Software will mark defect. You can increase or decrease the sensitivity of the defect recognition. If you want to preserve details in a specific area, click the Expert setting. Select the Eraser tool, which allows you to exclude certain areas from the correction. After all modifications are completed, click the Scan button in the lower left corner to save to image. iSRD can't use for black and white film. If you need remove dust and scratches from them, please see SRDx function. For more information, visit plustek.com.